How to send large videos on Gmail. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. If you have a large size files that cannot be directly sent via your Gmail, you'll be needing another Google application. That is none other than Google Drive. So what we need to do is basically open up our Google Drive. From here, you can upload a large size video. Once you have uploaded right here in your drive, then you can easily send via your Gmail. Now for an example, I have posted some of this video right here in my drive. Then, once it is successfully uploaded, you can open up your Gmail. Then you need to tap on the Compose button. At the top, you will see this paperclip icon. Tap on it. Then tap on Insert from Drive. From here, you'll find out every video that you have uploaded in your drive. Then you can just go ahead and select it and tap on the select option once again. So regardless of the large size file, it will be sent directly in your Gmail. Isn't it helpful? Make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We will see you very soon.